guys, welcome back to my channel. A very happy Valentine's week and a Valentine Day to everyone out there. I love you so much, everyone. Okay, so I am feeling so Valentine week this day, so I'm wearing kind of red every day, be it ethnic, western. प्यार की हवा ही कुछ ऐसी होती है. Anyway, so whatever you see at the back of me is basically I'm sitting in my store that I told you in the last video. So maybe I can have a short tour of my store. It's not so big as you think, but surely if you want to see my store, let me know in the comment section below. So in today's video I am going to show you how you can achieve this beautiful Cinderella kind of a look for the Valentine's Day without using makeup brush. Yes, you heard me right. Without using makeup brush, with the help of hands, that's gonna bring the magic, especially on your eyes. I hope you can see a lot of glitter on my eyes, and it's amazing. And this makeup look I'm gonna show you using one brand, that is Swiss Beauty. So without any waste of time, let's get straight to the video. like the video. If you do not forget to give it a thumbs up, share, subscribe if you're very new to my channel, and do not forget to ring that bell button because it will help you and notify you whenever I put a new video. Yay! So I'll see you soon. Bye. Just take care. Mwah. And happy Valentine weeks once again.